starting it empty at the gate. Alright, YouTube. Well, we're headed over to the Thunderbird swing yarder sides, the 255. So a little bit of a steep road here. Pretty tight switchback. You see right there is a road, and then right there is a road. It's nice out here though. Drop her down in half a gear. I'm just running my interlock. I'm not running any diff locks. It's getting pretty muddy where there's a few times I thought I was going to need them, but when you're empty, usually you can get away with making the corners with your diff locks in if you need to. But what ends up happening is that outside tire scrubs real bad, and you end up just chewing up the road even worse. And then guys got to come in with their lockers, and it's just hard on trucks. So if I can avoid it, you know, I tend to try to avoid it the best I can. I was here at this spot where you see all that new growth there. We shovel logged when we made this road, and I logged this right away about, I don't know, 8 months ago or so. I don't know how bad the switchback looks on camera, but it's pretty rough, especially coming out of here loaded. Probably end up dropping another gear coming. I'm on high side of second. We'll probably take it high side of first, just so we don't. That way I can crawl out of here. Yeah, see, the camera just doesn't really do it justice. Spinning a little bit, trying to keep my RPMs down so I don't just start spinning like crazy. But way down there is the road. There we go. No problem at all. Yeah, down there is the road we just came out of. We haven't gone that far. We've already climbed darn near 60 feet. Alright guys, I'll pick back up here in a minute. You can see right down there as the road we just came out of, or came up down there. A little bit greasy. It just now been raining all night, and now the sun's come out, which is awesome, but what happens is that first layer starts to tack up, and then it's just like clay, and it just sticks to your drivers and in between your treads, so it makes it kind of slippery. Oh, there she is. 255 in all her glory. Oh, let's get turned around here. Well, I don't know how well you guys can see it, but because of my phone, but they're running the MSP on the 255 with manual slack pulling carriage. It's got the 255's got a 8V92 silver. It's the 2-stroke V8 Detroit, which is pretty cool. There's the 290 link belt with the 623, I think, Warta, and it's sitting there idle. Well, not idle, it's off because the return hose from the oil cooler to the hydraulic tank broke, so they didn't have one on hand, so they're waiting for the mechanic to come up here and make them one. But anyways, All right. All right, well, we just left the yarder. There's our road and our switchback. I got my Jake on setting number 2. So it's only, what would that be? 4 cylinders instead of 6. Just because if you put all 6, it's got a little bit, it holds back a little too much and it tends to lock your drivers up. So I don't want to do that, but I still don't want to ride my brakes very much, because when my tires on my trailer get full of mud, they tend to lock up, you know, if you have to put hardly any application pressure. So, and then it lost the slide. So just for safety, I kind of like to run a little bit of Jake, you know. All right, we're coming up on our pretty tight switchback here. Probably go ahead and drop her half a gear. And swing her as wide as I can. The switchback's not really too terribly bad, but it does get a guy a little nervous with the mud, because you want to make sure you can steer, but at the same time, you know, because if you can't steer, you're just going to go off into the ditch, and then you can't back up with a 3-axle. And okay. Trailer back there. No, you could see nothing. There. And trailer's in the mirror. Out of the ditch. Cool. Throw my Jakes on. There we go, and we're rolling. Alright guys, this will be the end of this video. Just thought it'd be a little fun. It's pretty cool out here, it sure is nice. So, talk to you guys later. Have yourself a great day. Stay safe and have fun.